Hello people and welcome to another lesson. In this one we're going to be looking at Outshined by Soundgarden. Absolute banging tune. You're going to need to tune your low E down to D, okay? So I'm going to try a different camera angle in this one. Loads of you watch these videos on phones, and so I was thinking maybe it's better if I get the fretboard a bit closer. So I will give you a little close-up and let me know in the comments what you think, and if you prefer it then I will continue to do this. So enough waffle, let's play. So that is the intro riff, and slowly that goes like this. And the majority of this is double stops. You're playing two notes together on the same fret, okay? So you start off with two chugs, open, then you do a hammer on from the third to the fifth, then a pull off third to zero. You might need to bend the strings ever so sharp, very subtly, just to get the purchase for the pull off, because otherwise you'll just hear. Then you're going to play a single note, third fret, with a chug. That's the third fret on the what is now the D string. So 3-3. That note holds into the next bar, then 6-5-3 with a slide. So that, let's play it through slowly together, okay? 2, 3, 4. Like that. Now on the fourth time there is a fill, so that to speed, it's basically a bend on the fifth fret on the D, and then a fifth fret bend on the G, and I think there's a slide as well. First portion is the same to that point. Then you go to the fifth fret, which is a bend, like a half bend and release, and then you're going to move up to the next string and play a full bend, like that. Now there is one other fill actually which employs the use of a trill. A trill is basically this. So it's a quick hammer on and pull off, and that goes like this. And again, the first part is the same, but then you're going to play at the end. So that slowly. Now before you go into the pre-chorus section, you are going to basically just play. So the last time round is going to be. And then you're into that riff, okay? So that's the transition. Just one extra bar of D. Now, the next riff is awesome. Probably my favourite riff in this tune. It's incredibly lush. It goes like this. first bit of this is super simple. You're going to bank basically your little finger on the 7th fret on the G and D string, and you're going to play the open D twice, then you're going to put your first finger on the 5th fret, and then you're going to move it down to the 4th fret and play twice before you move to the other part. Okay, but stick with this first bit for now. So all you're doing there is with, but this movement makes it sound lovely. And the next section, you go to, so the 5th fret on the D and B, and what I'm doing there is I'm angling my 2nd finger so you don't hear the G string ring out. Okay? And then you add your little finger to the 5th fret on the top E. And you play 5th there and the 3rd there. But hold that shape, right, because it's easy. So again. So let me play that through a little slower and see if you can play along with it, okay? 2, 3, 4. And then on the last time, you don't do the, you stay on the 5th fret. Then you're still in this position, so you leave your little finger on the 5th fret, but you add your first finger to the 2nd, and you're going to be muting the B and playing an octave, right? And then you're going to do a slide up 2 frets. And you're going to play. And I'm just playing the open 3 notes there. Okay? Next riff is super simple. Here it is at full speed. So this is that riff slowly. Which is awesome. All double stops until you get to that last bar. So we're going to go brace note hammer on. So you're going from 5th to 7, but quite a quick hammer on. So it's 7, 5, 0, right? But with that little embellishment. So, and then 3, 5, 0. Okay, that again. Then you repeat the hammer on, but you're 2 frets down this time, right? So 3rd to 5th. So that is 5, 3, 0, 3. Then 0, 3. That's quite quick. With that rhythm, right? So that through again. Then you're going to go 6, 6, 6, 5, 3, 0. Again, fret that how you like. Then the last riff is just this. Which is lovely. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba. super awesome. To speed. The picking action there, if you're interested, is down, down, then alternate. Okay, so up, down, up, and then it's just down, down, down. Alright, so that again slowly. Awesome. That plays around twice, and it does indeed play that last riff twice at the end. And then you've either got a bar of 7/4 or a bar of 4/4 and 3/4, whichever you prefer, but you're going to play this. And then you're back into that, right? So that is literally just the 10th fret. Play the lowest 3 strings, and you're going to play, which is exactly the same pattern. It's just 2 8th notes and an 8th note rest, repeated 4 times. And then there's basically like another 8th note rest, and then 1 beat where it goes up to the, I think, the 19th fret, just as a slide right at the end. There is a solo, which, if you want the solo, comment below and I will do that. But there is actually a little lead line over the verse, and that follows Chris's vocal exactly, so it's... Simple stuff, I won't labour that. And then all that plays around again, right? But then you've got this middle 8 riff. I've cleaned up the tone a bit by rolling back the volume part, okay, on my guitar. Haven't touched the pedal at all, same setting on that. And it goes like this. So, we're going to go. Notice, you're always playing the 5th fret on the A string there. But you're playing... Okay, and then you do another hammer on from the 4th to the 5th. Again, with the 5th fret. Okay, like that, so slowly. Then you go up a string. Similar to before, just slight different variation in rhythm. Again, you're sticking with the 5th fret on the D string and just playing with your other finger. And then this little run. So there, I've changed my hand position, so I'm not playing with my 1st finger, I'm playing with my 2nd and 3rd, so I can get to the 4th fret. And play that. Then you go, so you're up a string again there, right? And at the end, it's just... But again, don't worry too much about that bit if you can't nail that part. Right, like that, and you just play that round. And later on, the chorus basically adds a bar of 9/8, just because, and it goes like this. Right, and etc. back round that riff, okay? And I think that's the part where Chris actually sings an earlier part of the chorus over that, right? So you're going to play the 4 of these, but then you're going to tag on. So it doesn't sound too bad, but when you play along with the album, which you will want to. That caught me out, and it took me a little while to work out what was going on, but it's a bar 4/4 and a bar 9/8, so. It's that bit, just jars slightly, doesn't it? And then you go back into that. And then the ending is just that. And you're done. So that was how you play Outshined by Soundgarden. Hope you enjoyed that one. I love this tune, it's awesome. And do let me know what you think in the comments below of the kind of new format angle type thing. So that's it from me. Cheers, see you soon, bye bye.